Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve capital gains with Berkshire Hathaway, full guide step by step clearly. To improve capital gains with Berkshire Hathaway, begin by understanding the company's investment philosophy. Study the principles outlined by Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger. Familiarize yourself with the concept of value investing. Research Berkshire Hathaway's portfolio to identify potential growth areas. Analyze the performance of its key subsidiaries and investments. Monitor the stock market trends that may affect Berkshire's valuation. Consider the long-term growth potential of Berkshire's holdings. Evaluate the historical performance of Berkshire Hathaway stocks. Pay attention to the company's quarterly earnings reports. Assess the significance of the intrinsic value in relation to market price. Review the benefits of reinvestment strategies employed by the company. Diversify your investments across different sectors represented in Berkshire's portfolio. Be mindful of macroeconomic factors that could impact capital gains. Use tools and resources for detailed investment analysis. Consult with financial advisors or investment experts for personalized guidance. Stay updated with news related to Berkshire Hathaway and its leadership. Participate in annual meetings or watch recorded sessions for insights. Understand the tax implications of capital gains for your investments. Finally, develop a disciplined investment approach for optimal long-term gains. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.